Hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. So I am here announcing our Junk Journal Project With Me kit that we're going to be working with in April. I'll have the video or videos, I don't know how many parts it'll be exactly, probably 1 or 2 for this project. We'll be starting those in April. We only have 1 part left for our March kit, but there's still some February kits and March kits left in my shop. You can go back and watch the videos, create the project, so you can purchase those if you click the link below. But this is going to be April, and we're going to be making a set of 3 journals. That's right, but 3 mini journals, 3 by 3 journals. And I think I've done a tutorial maybe on some Christmas ones that I had done, some snowman ones, and I've sold these. But what I want to do in April is, again, go through all the steps of how to make one, but also talk about coordinating and what coordinates and how to make 3 journals that coordinate together. So if you purchase the kit, this is what you'll be getting. Now you're going to have a choice of 3 different themes. There's nautical, there is vintage Paris, and there's flowers, springtime flowers. And the one I'm going to be making is going to be nautical, but it will be pretty much the same steps for the other one. You'll just be working with some different colors and different images. Again, the colors and the images may vary slightly, but this is about what to expect. You will get 3 heavy cardstock covers. They'll all be the same color, and we'll distress those and you know, talk about what we need to do to turn these into covers. But you'll get 3 of those, and then we're not going to decorate the pages. This kit is going to be a little bit cheaper than the other one started out as, because this is all about the covers and coordinating. The insides are just going to be coffee dyed paper. Since there's not much room anyway, they're great for jotting little notes. Of course, you can go in there and add stuff and stamp and that sort of thing, but you're going to get 6 pages of coffee dyed paper, 6 full pages, and that'll be enough to cut down into pages to have, when you're done, 40 pages in each one. So you're going to get that. These are going to have tassels as well. So you're going to get the ribbons and the trims or laces that you're going to need to make the tassel, and we'll be going through how to make that. You're going to get the thread you need to sew it and to finish finishing off the tassel. And then you're going to get a little mini eyelet, a garment pin, and 3 little dangle, bobble, charm, whatever pieces that you can use in different ways on the tassel, and I'll show you how we do that. But for an example, for the nautical kit, the one I'm going to be working with, I have a little green jingle bell, I have a green and white seashell bead, and I have an anchor button. And so if you do nautical, you're going to get something very similar to that. And then you're going to get 12 miscellaneous coordinating background pieces, and that's going to be for layering behind your main image on the front. So for example, for nautical here, I've got, this is what I have and what I'm working with, and you're going to get something very similar but tailored toward what images I picked for you and what colors I picked for you. So that's what I have. And then nautical, here's the images I'm going to be working with. We are using Digital Collage Club again this month. We used them in February. I love her work, and she has so many options available. So I thought I would show off 3 different things she has, 3 different themes. So here's nautical, and you may get these 3, or you would get 3 that are nautical. Some are seaside, seashells, something similar to that, but these are the 3 I'm going to be working with. If you pick vintage Paris, they will look something like this. They're a little bit bigger, but they'll look something like this. And if you choose springtime flowers, they will look something like this. So in the drop down box, when you click on it, you can choose which theme you want. And if you have a favorite color, specify that in the notes. I will do my best to get as close to that color as possible for the cover and the main pops. As you can see here, I'm using this pretty kind of minty green, and it is mirrored in the tassel. The greens are mirrored in like the shell, and there's a lot of greens in my background pieces, and there's the minty greens in here. So that would be mint green. If you say dusty rose, I might go with, you know, this set here, and then I would try to do a pink cover and have some of that more dusty rose pink color in the tassel. And in the, oh, the other thing you're going to get is either a button or a flat back for the cover. So sorry, I'm laughing at my boys. They're watching Moana in the background and goofing off. So you're going to get one of those for the cover. And so then you would get, if you say that you really like olive green, then I would do my best to get close to that, to do some kind of an olive green main color. So I just wanted it to be a little more customizable this time. And so again, springtime flowers, nautical, and vintage Paris are the 3 versions that we are going to be working with. And I think what I'm going to do is I will be making the coordinating 3 in the nautical, but in a video, or at the end of a video or in a separate video, I'm also going to make a Paris, and I'm going to make a springtime flower one just to show you some of the differences and some of the ways you might work with different images as well. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope that this excites you for working on it in April. The suggestions I kept getting were springtime. So for me, these are kind of springish, you know, spring in Paris, springtime flowers, and then the sea and the ocean, start thinking towards summer, and maybe the water's warming up and a little bit like that. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I have definitely talked enough for one video.